In this video I am going to show you how to remove background from animated GIF image in Canva. So first open Canva and then go to videos, select YouTube video. Now go to uploads, upload files. Now choose your GIF image. Now select the image and drag it and place it here. Now position it. Now go to the share, click on download, click download, and it's downloading. It's downloaded. Now delete this. Now go to the uploads, click on upload files. Now upload the video which one you have downloaded. Now go to the edit video, click on background remover. So we have removed the background from GIF image. Now let's add another video. Funny football. Go to videos and let's add this one. Right click, go to layers, then backward. Now let's play. And here you go. So this is how you can remove background from GIF image. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.